how to move your WhatsApp chat history from Android to iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will show you guys how you can move your WhatsApp chat history from Android to iPhone. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. So let's dive right into it. To move your WhatsApp history from Android to iPhone, you must use the backup feature available on your WhatsApp. Look at your WhatsApp, and after you've done that, you can tap on your WhatsApp. After that, tap on the three dots on the top right. Then tap on Settings. And after you're on your settings, you can then tap on your chats option. And after you do that, you should find Chat Backup. Tap on Chat Backup and tap on the backup button just to be sure, and just in case that it does not get moved, you'll still have a backup. So after that, if you head back after you've backed up your chat, you'll find the Transfer Chats option, but this is only for Android to Android. So what you can do instead of that is download and open the Move to iOS app from Google Play Store. So let's head back to your Google Play Store, search for Move to iOS, and after you find Move to iOS, install this app right here. Now tap on Open, and after you do that, you can then start setting up this the app. So agree to the terms and conditions, and after that, after you're done with the setup, what you can then do is connect via a cable, which is much faster than using a Wi-Fi. So you can either connect your Android to your iPhone using a cable, or you can tap and continue with Wi-Fi. So after whatever you do, you will get another prompt where you will need to enter a code. So after you enter a code, you will need to continue and select WhatsApp when you see the transfer data screen. So when you do that, tap on your Android phone and wait for WhatsApp to prepare the data. So this might be the only way you will be able to do this, and this is also only the secure way you will be able to do so. And after you select WhatsApp on your Android, the data will be prepared, and then you can move it to your iOS. Now, since I don't have another device right here, I cannot show you the further process, but that's basically how you do it. And in case you lose the data, which you probably won't, you'll still have the backup that you just did. And that's how you move your WhatsApp chat history from Android to iPhone. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.